For today's video, we are going to make this cute little candy cane. To make it, you will need white yarn, red yarn, some scissors, a needle, a paper clip, and I am going to use a size 5mm crochet hook. We will begin by chaining 25. Then we will single crochet in the second chain from the hook and into every chain after that. So we should end this row with 24 single crochets. At the end of that row, I'm going to go ahead and cut my string and tuck in my tails. When you are finished with that one, it should be nice and twisty like this one here. And then we will do the same thing but in the red color. So I'm going to chain 25 and then I will do a single crochet row starting in the second chain from the hook. So that row should have 24 single crochets in it. Then I will cut the string off and tuck in the tails. So here I have both of my colors completed and they should be twisted. I ended up leaving a long tail on the red one. I forgot. It is helpful to connect these two with some yarn. So what we're going to do is we're just going to roll them into one another using the twirls that they kind of already have to make that really nice candy cane spiral. Now, like I said, it helps to go ahead and connect these two at the ends. So I'm gonna go ahead and sew these two together here and then I'll sew together this end. right, now that we have the two pieces connected together, we're going to do the last part, which is to insert this paper clip. And before I can insert it, I have to straighten it out. I'm using a bigger paper clip than I used on this one, because this one, the paper clip only went halfway through, so I was hoping a bigger one would help, but we shall see. I'm just going to feed it down the middle after I straightened it out, and it does kind of help if you can get it into some of the yarn, but it's okay if it doesn't. And then I'll just stick this one right there. There we go. Now it's all connected. You can kind of twist it a little. Try to stick that through there. And then you want to bend the paper clip so that your candy cane has its shepherd's hook to it. And there you have it. You have a cute candy cane that could be put onto a tray, or you can add it to a package. You could add a string to it and it can become an ornament for your tree. But yeah, it's fun, it's simple to make, and it's just a cute little addition to whatever it is you want to use it for. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye!
If you would like to see more, please like and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell so you don't miss a video.